Alright guys, in this video I just want to talk about how to help your strawberries to spread in whatever box you have them in or on the ground or whatever. Okay, so I have here a galvanized tub that I have some of my strawberries in. I have cinder blocks, a cinder block bed over here that I have some of my strawberries in. Okay, so they're shooting out these runners here. See how it just long runners that are just kind of spreading out. Okay, so these are good. These are going to fill in your bed. So what you want to do is you want to kind of guide them into a nice spot away from the other plants. Then you just take a little bit of soil and you just cover that up like that. Then you water a little bit, and these little stolons will actually grow roots at the bottom of them, and they'll become a plant itself, and eventually, you know, it'll be connected to the main plant, but you could cut that off and it would still grow on its own, you know, once it gets a good root system going. So you can help them along. So here is another one, and as you can see on the bottom there, starting to grow tiny little roots. So you just put that down into some soil, kind of help it into the ground, and you can take a little loose soil, you can cover that up right there, and that'll start a new plant. Easy as that.